Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to share your Java Derby to network. So first is if you are using Netbeans, you can set your server here in Java DB. So you need to do is, for example, you didn't see the start server or create database or create some sample database. But if you set your properties here, then browse the DB installation. For example, this is the downloaded here. In download in previous video. This is our folder, then this one, then okay, this is the installation. The next is the database location, so browse this file. You can choose any folder you want. So this is okay, this one. When you open this file, this folder, you can select this demo, then you can see the database folder, then double click, then open. So then this is the location of your database, then okay, then after that you can see the start server, so you can start. So this is the Derby server is now open, so online. So first is we need to change the driver here, copy this one, then we need to leave this as a comment, or this is embedded. So let's see in what is the driver of the um, network. Okay, so click this Derby tools, then select this one, then let's see. Okay, this is this one, client driver. So replace this embedded driver to client driver. Okay, save. Then we need to select the location of the database. This alternative is in database is inside to this project, Derby tutorial. So in this project located in Netbeans, so documents. So let's open the folder documents. Then this one, then this one, then this is the database. So copy this directory, copy, then replace this one. Okay, then double backslash. Okay, this is DB tutorial created. So we don't need to put create true because that is already created. So here we need to put double slash, then the local host. So if you are using network, so you can replace this to IP address of the server. Then this one is the port, which is 1527, then slash. Then let's try to connect. For example, okay, our server is online, so already started, so we can connect now. So right click this project, then run. So our database is connected. So for example, if we are not using Netbeans to run the server of the Derby, we can, for example, we can stop this one. Then let's try to test if it is disconnected, if our server is stopped. So we need to try to run to test if it is the server is um, stopped. So error because the server is already stopped. So if we are not using Netbeans to run the server, we can use the CMD. Then you need to do is to find the um, folder of this one server, and then if you can see, there's a bin here. So this one, this bin, then copy this directory, then proceed to CMD, then change directory, then enter. Then we can select the batch file here. So this one start server, this is file. So this one is the batch file, start network server. So this one. Then back to um CMD, then you need to start, which is start network server, then batch file. So this file uh, calling to this batch file. So we can enter. Then our Derby database server is now ready to accept the connection. So we can try run this project. Run. Okay. So this is connected. So if you want to stop the server, then you can see here stop this one, this batch file, stop network server. So able you to stop. It's okay if it is. It's okay you to stop the server when you press Control C. Then if you want to terminate the job, then Y enter. Then our server is terminated. Let's try to run. So our server is now stopped. Okay, but um, to make sure if it is stopped, then um, type stop network server, then batch. So that is could not connect because here you terminate the this batch file, this command. So I hope you learn from this video. In next video, I will show you the real application where we can apply this database. So that is the third video. I hope you like these videos. Leave the comment and like my video. Thank you for watching. See you next video, guys. Bye.